Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about Op Manager Plus, the unified IT operations management platform that helps you achieve full stack observability and reduce IT complexity. First things first, ManageEngine is a division of Zoho Corporation and a veteran in the IT industry with over 20 years of expertise in dealing with IT challenges. ManageEngine offers a broad IT management suite with over 60 cost-effective solutions that help you handle everything from daily tasks to long-term IT planning, giving you control over your entire IT infrastructure. By the way, 89% of our clients said they're likely to recommend ManageEngine products to their colleagues. ManageEngine's suite of enterprise solutions cater to every aspect of your IT, including service management, identity and access management, IT operations management, endpoint management, security information and event management, and more. The main components that drive IT operations for better business growth include availability monitoring, infrastructure monitoring and management, fault and incident management, change management, and disaster recovery. IT operations management tools work together to handle all the components and support the effective operation, management, and optimization of IT services and infrastructure, ultimately contributing to the achievement of business objectives and user satisfaction. As of 2023, the market for IT operations management stands at a staggering $35 billion in valuation. And over the last 4 years, the industry has seen an unprecedented compounded annual growth rate of 6.9%, and enterprises seem to be well on their way to invest even more. ManageEngine's ITOM solutions are trusted by over 1 million IT admins globally and leverage more than 20 years of experience to deliver exactly what IT admins need. Deployed in more than 180 countries and with close to 4 million managed devices, our top-rated solutions are recognized by Gartner and Forrester, making them a go-to choice for CIOs in application performance and observability. Now let's take a look at some common roadblocks in IT operations management. Chief among them is the fact that IT environments have become increasingly complex, with a mix of on-premise systems, cloud services, virtualized environments, and hybrid infrastructures. IT operations generate vast amounts of data from various sources, such as logs, monitoring tools, and performance metrics. This data often exists in silos, making it difficult to aggregate and analyze effectively. Investing in monitoring and management tools is crucial for ensuring the performance, availability, and security of IT systems. However, these tools can often come with a high price tag, especially for comprehensive solutions capable of handling large-scale environments. The regulatory landscape for IT operations is complex and constantly evolving. Laws like GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, and SOX impose specific requirements on data handling, security, privacy, and reporting. Meeting these diverse compliance requirements across industries and regions simultaneously poses a massive challenge for IT operations management. Misconfigurations are a leading cause of security breaches. Without visibility into configurations, IT teams may not be aware of changes made to configurations over time, leaving systems vulnerable to attacks. IT operations that aren't aligned with business initiatives may struggle to respond quickly to changing business needs. This lack of agility can hinder the organization's ability to adapt to market changes and customer demands. IT operations typically use a variety of specialized tools for tasks such as monitoring, logging, ticketing, configuration management, and automation. These tools operate in silos without integration capabilities, leading to inefficiencies and data duplication. Such a fragmented tool landscape results in the IT admin teams having to resort to manual workflows, ultimately resulting in delayed response times, limited visibility and context, and cost overruns. Most of the existing solutions have fixed usage bounds and cannot be customized to suit a particular industry or a specific functionality as required by the user. This, together with the fact that these solutions are not so easy to use, only makes the life of IT ops admins even worse. ManageEngine's answer to deal with all of this is Op Manager Plus. Op Manager Plus is ManageEngine's unified observability solution. It provides real-time visibility into the performance of your IT infrastructure, as well as out-of-the-box capabilities for proactive IT operations management. Let's take a look at how you can dominate IT by leveraging the Plus advantage. Considering how complex and demanding IT operations management is today, merely monitoring your infrastructure will no longer suffice. You need enhanced visibility across your entire IT ecosystem, correlating performance data from every nook and corner. That's exactly what Op Manager Plus does: shed light across your entire IT stack and ensure business continuity. It's not about reacting to problems, it's about predicting them. Op Manager Plus is built with cutting-edge AI and machine learning. It collects data from all your IT sources, analyzes it with machine smarts, and empowers you to see and prevent issues before they happen. Data is king, but raw data is useless. Op Manager Plus doesn't just collect data. It statistically analyzes it with machine learning to uncover hidden trends and predict future problems. This lets you make data-driven decisions that optimize your IT infrastructure, reduce costs, and achieve your IT goals. When it comes to cost reduction, Op Manager Plus is a unified solution that replaces siloed tools, saving you money on licenses and streamlining operations. This integrated suite is your one-stop shop for everything: monitoring, management, and troubleshooting, all of your IT in one place. Collaboration is key. Op Manager Plus breaks down departmental barriers. Network admins, server admins, and application support. Everyone's on the same page. Improved communication leads to faster project completion and agile business delivery. Op Manager Plus is also secure and compliant, perfect for managing your hybrid network, giving you all-round visibility into your entire IT stack, including availability, performance, health, and faults. Op Manager Plus unlocks a world of observability, giving you the insights you need to truly dominate your IT. Let's see what its role is in business transformation. For instance, let's consider a bank. The COVID-19 pandemic enforced restrictions in physical banking services. This propelled the shift towards digital banking. As a result, banks revitalized the existing processes into digital channels with a primary focus on customer experience, customer engagement, and customer operations. A bank's IT infrastructure is super critical to its normal functioning. Everything ranging from servers, routers, switches, databases, cloud applications, container services, and other infrastructure work together in unison to deliver a smooth end-user experience. Any issue in one part of this complex IT establishment will affect the end user. Let's say there was a cooling fan issue on a server, causing the server to overheat and eventually shut down. This could cause a failure in an ongoing transaction and affect the user. The same server that failed could be hosting databases and account information of users, which because of the server failure would be unavailable. Employees and users will be unable to retrieve account information, transaction histories, and other critical info. Web servers hosting the bank's online portal rely on back-end databases and systems. With an outage in the server, all the subsequent activities will be disrupted. Now imagine if the server had no backup as well. This would mean permanent loss of data. In another case, let's say the end users were raising concerns regarding slow load times of the bank's online portal. Traditional monitoring systems are built in a way that different tools cater to different aspects of the banking infrastructure. How would the bank know if the slowness was caused due to an issue in the server, an issue in the application itself, in the network, or due to a geographic or ISP limitation? The bank would need to analyze the root cause of this issue and pinpoint it to the corresponding front end, the network, or the back end. Without a unified observability solution, the bank will never be able to correlate performance issues to the exact cause, since the tools are siloed. The user will switch to the services of a different bank. Apart from the loss of users, the loss of revenue and plummeting brand value are bonus headaches which you'll have to deal with for a long time to come. Let's take another example, this time an educational institution. With the onset of digital culture and digital literacy, It's now imperative that schools, colleges, and universities employ information and communication tools, also known as ICT tools, to create, communicate, disseminate, store, and manage information. Coupled with this, the front line of a university's operations are all handled by IT. For example, the admissions processes, managing internal and external finances, research operations, maintaining digital records, ensuring campus security through CCTVs, and so on. Once again, this is all made possible by a huge array of IT infrastructure maintained and managed by the university. Let's consider the day when the semester results are scheduled to be released. Thousands of students would flood the servers with access requests to view their results. Such a surge in traffic volume could cripple even the most robust of systems. To avoid this, the IT admins need to be adequately prepared, with careful planning to provision more bandwidth. The first question is, how would the IT admin know how much bandwidth to provision? Next, imagine the university is conducting their online exams. The students are supposed to access the university's online portal to attend the exam. Now let's say the IT team pushed a new configuration on the master switch just 1 hour before the exam. Unfortunately, the update ended up being a failure, and the master switch lost all of its configurations. Since the master switch is now down, the server that hosts the exam portal will be inaccessible. How will the IT team restore the master switch in time before the exam? If they had a configurations backup system, network operations could resume in the blink of an eye, and the exam could be held as scheduled. Otherwise, it's redemption day for the students. Storing information and ensuring their security, handling bandwidth utilization, maximizing resource efficiency, managing device configurations while constantly keeping an eye on the health and performance of IT infrastructure, it's all too much to handle. Is there even an all-in-one solution that does all this? The answer is yes. Op Manager Plus, by merit of its unified observability, provides a holistic IT operations management platform that can help you manage your entire IT stack, including networks, servers, storage, and applications, all from a single console to ensure overall business success. Op Manager Plus correlates performance issues to the corresponding IT infrastructure and also helps you manage your IT operations around the clock. The best part is, Op Manager Plus has you covered regardless of the type of industry you belong to. Whether it's education, banking, telecommunications, technology, retail, manufacturing, healthcare, hospitality, transportation, aviation, or energy, Op Manager Plus has got your back. With its 6 different modules, each taking care of a critical aspect of your IT, Op Manager Plus is your one-stop unified observability solution. Let's now look at a brief overview of each of these modules. Op Manager Plus's application performance monitoring redefines the landscape of performance monitoring and management of your business-critical applications with its real-time insights, proactive issue detection, and optimization capabilities. From instantly identifying problems to proactive performance optimization, our APM tools are engineered to elevate your digital experiences and ensure that your end users seamlessly navigate through the intricate web of application ecosystem with ease. With Op Manager Plus, you can discover and map dependencies across your application stack, extensively monitor your application KPIs, track database operations, capture errors and exceptions, get code-level application insights, analyze website behavior, monitor transactions, measure end-user satisfaction, and more. Additionally, you'll also receive timely alerts in case of performance issues and generate reports for periodic performance analysis. Op Manager Plus's robust network, server, and storage monitoring features helps you track the availability, health, and performance of all your network devices, pinpointing network issues in real time so you can proactively troubleshoot them and avoid downtime. The categories of devices that are supported for monitoring include servers, switches, routers, WLCs, firewalls, domain controllers, printers, storage systems, and more. Op Manager Plus also helps you in critical infrastructure monitoring with dedicated virtualization monitoring, hardware monitoring, IP SLA monitoring, interface monitoring, fault and incident management, workflow automation, detailed network visualization, and support for high availability configuration, along with many other dedicated network monitoring features. You can also monitor the processes, services, syslogs, operating systems, traps, URLs, and more for in-depth and all-round network monitoring and management. With Op Manager Plus, you have alerts based on multi-level thresholds to indicate the various stages of performance degradation, so you know you're headed for failure before it occurs. Op Manager Plus also leverages various flow technologies for dedicated bandwidth and traffic management to provide real-time visibility into the network bandwidth performance. You also get root cause analysis with monitoring traffic insights for every node. You can also optimize bandwidth usage across departments, streamline irregular traffic behaviors and security concerns with ML-based anomaly detection. Whether it's traditional networks or hybrid IT, Op Manager Plus's holistic visibility will help you resolve bandwidth issues with real-time graphs and historical reports. You can prioritize traffic only for critical applications with QoS monitoring and strategize upgrades for specific value-adding network areas with capacity planning and forecast reports. Op Manager Plus also detects a broad spectrum of external and internal security threats, behavioral changes to the network, anomalies, and more, using forensics and security analysis, traffic pattern analysis, and other tools. Misconfigurations are a leading cause of security breaches. Without visibility into configurations, IT teams may overlook security settings, leaving systems vulnerable to attacks. Handling network configurations for change and compliance is a daunting challenge. Op Manager Plus's multi-vendor change, configuration, and compliance management is designed to help you streamline and automate network configuration tasks. Empowering you with automated configuration backup, real-time change tracking, advanced compliance oversight, user activity tracking, and firmware vulnerability management, you can efficiently take control of the entire lifecycle of device configurations and make your network devices disaster-proof. Op Manager Plus also features robust firewall management and analysis to provide comprehensive visibility and control over network security infrastructure. Real-time monitoring and reporting on firewall traffic allows administrators to gain insights into network traffic patterns, user behavior, and security threats. With features such as firewall log analysis, bandwidth monitoring, and traffic anomaly detection, Op Manager Plus helps identify and mitigate security risks effectively. It also facilitates compliance management with built-in reports for regulatory standards like PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR, while also offering advanced features like VPN monitoring, application usage analytics, and firewall rule optimization, ensuring optimal network security and performance. Op Manager Plus is also your all-in-one solution for IP address management and switch port mapping, streamlining network administration for maximum efficiency. IP address management is now simplified thanks to a unified IPv4 and IPv6 subnet and supernet monitoring. With Op Manager Plus, you can avoid IP address conflicts with proactive IP allocation monitoring, utilization tracking, and IP resource optimization. A dedicated switch port mapper tool reveals detailed switch connectivity, including connected devices, IP addresses, associated MAC addresses, and port speeds. What's more is you can detect and isolate unauthorized devices with automated network scanning and rogue device detection, and enhance security with remote switch control to block unauthorized access. Other tools like Wake on LAN, DNS Resolver, and Network Scanner, among others, makes it an essential IP management solution for every IT administrator. Now, let's summarize the features we've discussed so far. Primarily, you've got end-to-end visibility into the performance and availability of your infrastructure, and real-time monitoring of the critical performance metrics. Op Manager Plus helps you monitor the performance of both on-premise and cloud infrastructure, including applications, containers, databases, storage, and more, with real-time visibility into the bandwidth performance, utilization, and capacity. Furthermore, you can manage network configuration changes and back them up as a fail-safe against network failures, and ensure compliance of your devices to industry standards. Op Manager Plus helps you manage IP addresses effectively, along with detailed views about your switch ports and the devices in your network classified on the basis of trusted, guest, and rogue devices. Monitoring firewalls and managing their rules, policies, and logs is also a cakewalk with Op Manager Plus. Color-coded alarms with multi-level severities to notify you regarding IT infrastructure faults in real time helps you mitigate failures before they occur. Op Manager Plus also features more than 300 comprehensive reports for information regarding the status of your infrastructure at any time, so you make data-driven decisions to maximize the efficiency of IT operations. All of these tools, features, and functionalities translate into tangible business value. Op Manager Plus offers effortless deployment. Installation takes about 8 to 10 minutes and you're ready to begin. Seamless integration with a wide range of tools expands its capabilities for complete IT infrastructure management. Further, Op Manager Plus offers unparalleled scalability and flexibility, adapting seamlessly to the evolving needs of any organization's IT infrastructure. As a unified 6-in-1 toolset, Op Manager Plus centralizes IT management, replacing siloed tools for uniform visibility into your infrastructure. You can also automate repetitive tasks with customizable workflows. This allows you to leverage advanced analytics to keep your network, servers, and applications running smoothly. Now let's take a look at the editions in which Op Manager Plus is available. Op Manager Plus is brought to you in two editions, the Professional and the Enterprise Edition. The Professional Edition is a standalone solution that allows you to monitor and manage your applications, networks, servers, bandwidths, firewalls, IP addresses, configurations, and more from a single site of installation. With capabilities that encompass real-time availability and health monitoring, fault management, and reporting of your infrastructure, the Professional Edition provides a unified panel from where you can manage your entire IT. Op Manager Plus Enterprise Edition is built on a central probe architecture to cater to geographically distributed infrastructure. This architecture involves probe servers that relay information about the infrastructure on the remote location to the central server. This helps administrators manage multi-site networks more efficiently, thanks to a unified console that provides real-time visibility and management of remote infrastructure. Now let's take a look at how Op Manager Plus is licensed. Unlike other IT monitoring solutions, Op Manager Plus follows a device-based licensing model. This means that you are charged directly according to the number of devices you wish to monitor, instead of the number of monitors or sensors. With Op Manager Plus, you do not have to purchase separate licenses to monitor multiple metrics. You just pay for one and monitor plenty. The devices you wish to monitor will fall under one of these categories, called bundles. They include the Network Bundle, the Server and Applications Management Bundle, also called the SAM Bundle, and the Storage Bundle. Each bundle packs additional components to provide comprehensive monitoring and management support. In the Network Bundle, you can add devices for monitoring, configuration management, flow analysis, access point monitoring, IP address management, and switch port monitoring. In the SAM bundle, you can monitor servers, applications, and internet services such as URLs and web services. In the Storage bundle, devices can be in the form of storage disks, tape libraries, or fiber channel switches. You can split the n number of devices available in a license pack in any combination between these three bundles. So, the number of licensed devices is equal to the sum of the number of devices in the Network, SAM, and Storage bundle. Let's say, for example, you've purchased a 100 device pack. You can choose to have 40 devices in the Network bundle, 40 devices in the SAM bundle, and 20 in the Storage bundle. Or you could have 60 devices in the Network bundle, 30 in the SAM bundle, and 10 in the Storage bundle. Whatever the case, every device in the bundle will consume one count from the license that you purchase. Now, with every device in either of these bundles, you're entitled to monitor a particular number of metrics. For example, for every device in a Network bundle, you can monitor one configuration, one flow analysis, 2 access points, 10 IP addresses, and 10 switch ports. So if you purchase a 100 device license, you can monitor 100 devices, manage 100 configurations, monitor 100 flows, 200 access points, and 1000 IPs and switch ports each. Similarly, for every device in the SAM bundle, you can monitor one server, one application, and one internet service, like a URL or a web service. What's more, there's a default number of firewalls and users allowed for each license pack. For more details regarding the license packs, please visit our website. Op Manager Plus has established itself as a major contributor to the success of countless organizations worldwide. Let's look at some stories that illuminate the transformative impact of Op Manager Plus on organizations of all sizes and sectors. Here's a system administrator from Quick Service Technologies Canada who uses Op Manager to manage the company's IT environment. Let's hear from him.
I like and love the Op Manager. The Op Manager for me is the best one because I take care more about the servers, right? Firewall servers and the other stuff. So that monitoring tool for me is really important, right? I can see the traffic, I can receive alerts if something happened. So that's the most important solution for me right now.
Hinduja Global Solutions is an Indian business process management organization with a vast infrastructure of 780 servers and numerous routers, switches, WAN links, virtual machines, storage devices, and applications. The biggest challenge they faced was that troubleshooting the faulty devices would take too much time. With the deployment of Op Manager, the Network Operations Center at Hinduja Global Solutions found massive advantages in the form of performance monitoring, failover support, network visualization, comprehensive reporting, workflow automation, and more. With reduced downtimes and subsequent reduction in maintenance time, Hinduja Global Solutions saved up to $3 million annually. Impressive, right? Let's look at another example. An energy company that chooses to remain anonymous had to face many downsides like bottlenecks and delays, making it particularly hard to determine the root cause of issues when incidents arose. The impact of application downtime or delays would sometimes lead to rippling effects and result in financial losses. Additionally, a lack of access to real-time information on the performance of key metrics was leading to slow remediation times. By leveraging observability, the team could now view their entire operations on a single pane of glass, capturing every single trace and transaction that flowed through the applications. By gaining contextual insights, the organization could make smarter business decisions. As a result, they found a peak improvement of 80% in application performance, halved the time required to troubleshoot issues, gained complete visibility on key performance indicators, and eventually saved over $100,000 on downtime. Businesses, regardless of their size and sector, have benefited greatly from ManageEngine's ITOM solutions. Those specialized in healthcare, education, aviation, manufacturing, banking, real estate, and more have seen effective improvement in their IT operations management, all thanks to ManageEngine's ITOM solutions. Such is the success that ITOM solutions have established as a resounding global presence. Being one of the most popular IT infrastructure management solutions out there, ManageEngine's ITOM receives a variety of feedback on review platforms from users across different industries and organizations. The ability to effectively address a wide range of IT challenges and provide users with a positive experience is a key factor in our success. Customers consistently rate us highly for our ability to comprehensively solve their IT infrastructure problems. ManageEngine's ITOM solutions are recognized and ranked highly among international industry analysts like Gartner, Forrester, Infotech, Enterprise Management Associates, and more. On review platforms, ITOM solutions have quite the presence. According to a report by Software Reviews, 98% of the users rated Op Manager as a champion in enterprise network monitoring. ITOM solutions have been testified about on many different platforms, with exceptional ratings in terms of customer experience and product capabilities. Op Manager Plus is highly secure and compliant to international standards such as the ISO IEC and regulatory frameworks like the SOC2 and HIPAA and GDPR as well. ManageEngine also has a certified Level 1 self-assessment on the STAR registry of the Cloud Security Alliance. If you have any further questions or inquiries, you can always give us a call at this number. Do check out our website as well at www.opmanagerplus.com for more information. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.